Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1102 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out literally the most beautiful foundation I have ever seen. Well, packaging wise. So this is from Palace Identity. It's the Gilt Gold Phoenix Luxury Makeup Foundation Lotion. So I featured this in my most recent PR unboxing. So this was sent to me for free. Of course, I like to give that disclaimer. This is not a sponsored video, but gosh, am I excited to try this out. The unboxing experience of this is so nice. Like, look at this. I have tried out the lipstick from Palace Identity, which was the most beautiful lipstick packaging I've ever seen, but then it was also an amazing formula, an amazing lipstick in itself. So if you have not seen that video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But I cannot get over the beautiful packaging of this product. So it has this peacock on it, and I think this is plastic, but it looks like a frosted glass. Here you can see what it looks like. The detail on it is amazing. I got this in the shade W0 number 2. This retails for $35, and I'm really excited to see how it looks on the skin. It's supposed to be a kind of liquid to powder technology, so it's supposed to have a matte finish, be long lasting. So I love that underneath the beautiful cap here is a pump. So to start out, I'm going to pump some onto the back of my hand here. Ooh, that looks like it should be a good shade for me. And so my favorite technique for applying a liquid foundation these days is to take my dampened sponge. I'm actually loving the silicone sponge from AOA Studio. So let's try this technique out first. Just apply it all over half of my face. Oh yeah, I love that right away. I am noticing some good coverage, covering up all the redness on my cheeks, the blemishes. Oh, I thought I noticed like a nice smell to this. It actually kind of smells like a nice lotion. That's a really nice smell. But wow, I feel like a little goes a long way. I did one pump onto the back of my hand, and that might even be more than enough to do half of my face. So what do we think? Yeah, that's a pretty good shade match for me, since I'm, at my palest right now, middle of the winter. But wow, this is looking beautiful. I definitely see that matte finish, but it's smooth. Let's build up a little bit more coverage here over these blemishes. But that is looking really nice. Super easy to blend. So applying it worked great with this sponge. It looks smooth, it looks even. So this one layer, wow, it looks so skin-like. Like, look at that difference with it versus without it. What a transformation. Yet this still looks like it could be my natural skin without makeup. And that's what I really look for in my foundations. I don't want it to look like caked on makeup. I want it to look like skin, and this looks like skin, but it has good coverage. Right now, I'd say I'm at about a medium to full coverage. Maybe I'm gonna take the next pump onto the back of my hand, but start with a little tiny bit to just go over where I still have a little bit of redness peeking through to see how buildable this is. But I am very picky with my foundations. I'm very picky with every makeup product though, honestly, because I've tried out so many on my channel. But I'm just super particular about foundation because I want to feel comfortable in my skin and my makeup, and I don't want it to look like caked on makeup. And this seriously looks so good. It's pretty buildable. Like, this is almost full coverage. I think I still have the tiniest bit of redness peeking through, but I do not even mind that. I think my skin is looking flawless enough. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Gosh, Palace Identity makes such incredible products. So I will have this product linked in the description down below if you want to check it out. They have very minimal shades available. That's one thing I will say. But yeah, I did 2 pumps and I still have a ton left over on the back of my hand. And I feel like I'm covered, I'm good. But since I have a little bit left, I'll just, for the fun of it, kind of go over where I still have a little bit of redness and blemishes peeking through. I love when a little foundation goes a long way, because then I know, like $35, this will be able to last me a while still. So I feel like that makes it worth the price. It really does just build up so nicely without looking heavy. It's just so smooth and natural on the skin. I love it. Oh, I feel so transformed right now with how my skin is looking, because I feel like my skin today was just looking extra red, extra bad, basically. And it is so covered, so evened out. It looks so much better now, and I just feel so much better. But I'm definitely going to be wearing this for the rest of the day because I'm very happy with how my makeup is looking. But I will let you know in the description down below. I'm going to let you know my wear test results. I'll let you know how this lasts all day. I'm going to be wearing a mask, so I'll let you know how it like transfers, wears throughout the day. But I am very hopeful with this because I'm so excited about how it looks. I want this to be an awesome foundation that really does last. It said online 12 hours. I really hope this is long lasting. It looks beautiful on my skin all day because I want to keep using this. I'm so excited about it. I love trying out new makeup brands that I had never heard of before, and when they turn out to be amazing, I love to be able to share that on my channel. And I feel like Palace Identity products have been exactly that. Just so good, like almost unexpectedly amazing. Just because I had never heard of them before, I didn't know what to expect. And they are seriously some of the best products I have tried in a long time. And on top of that, they're the most beautiful products I've ever seen. So they got me with the packaging, but then their formulas have just made me fall in love with these products. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.